Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to send and receive money with Google Pay. So let's get straight into the video. And when it comes to sending money, what you want to do is to open Google Pay. So you want to open the Google Pay app on your Android device, and then you want to tap on the send or pay button. And of course you got to enter the recipient's name, email address or phone number, and then you want to enter the amount that you want to send. And then you got to choose a payment method such as a debit card or a bank account, and then you got to confirm the transaction details and send the payments. So that's for sending money. Now when it comes to receiving money, what you want to do is to receive a payment request. So you can receive a payment request from somebody via Google Pay. So what you want to do is to open Google Pay on your mobile device, and then tap the receive or request button, and then you want to enter the amount that you want to receive, and of course choose a payment method. Could be a debit card or it could be a bank account, and then you just got to confirm the transaction details, and then you'll be able to receive the payments. Now for using Google Pay Send, what you want to do is to download Google Pay Send app on your Android device, and then you got to link a payment method such as a debit card or a bank account, and then just send money to friends and families using their email address on your mobile phone number. Now when it comes to fees and limits, there are some things to take note of. The first is Google Pay doesn't charge fees for debit card transactions. Now for credit card transactions may incur fees depending on the issuer, whereas the transaction limits applies to Google Pay transactions depending on the payment method that you're planning to use. So these are things that you need to take note of when it comes to fees and limitations. Now for security and protection, Google Pay protects your financial information with encryptions and secure servers, so you don't got to worry about that. And when it comes to authentication and verification, Google Pay requires authentication and verification for transactions to ensure security. So if you haven't authenticated or verified your account, you're gonna have to do that before you'll be able to make use of this service. Now that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found that useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another one of our awesome updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.